All right, our planet Neptune has an orbit that is nearly circular, so we can just use a circle to describe it. It orbits the sun at a distance of 4,497 million kilometers and completes one revolution every 165 years. Our first question is, how long is the full path of Neptune around the sun? So you can imagine, like, if this is the sun and we have this really long distance, and then here's tiny little Neptune out here. It's following a path that's roughly circular around the sun. That's not a circle, but it's close enough. So if I'm trying to find out how far around the sun it's going, how far the full path is, I'm looking at the circumference of this circle that I've drawn, where the radius is the distance from the sun to Neptune. So the circumference of a circle is always given by 2 pi times the radius, or pi times the diameter, but since we're told what the radius is, we'll use 2 pi r. The radius is 4,497 million kilometers. So I just plug that in. 4,497 times 2 is going to give me 4,497 times 2, 14, 19, 9, 8. So 8994 pi million kilometers. And since we don't use calculators in this class, we don't want to type that in and get a decimal approximation. The exact answer is the 8994 pi million kilometers. Find the linear velocity of Neptune as it orbits the sun. So what's the piece of information in our question we haven't used yet? Well, we haven't used the fact that it does a full revolution every 165 years, which means in 165 years, it's going to travel 8994 pi million kilometers. So if I'm trying to find a velocity of that, the velocity is going to be the distance that we traveled, 8994 pi, divided by the amount of time it took us to go that far, so the 165 years. So this is in million years, or in million kilometers per year, which is, you know, super normal units. So this is million kilometers per year. So you take the units from the top and just divide by the units from the bottom.